In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is quite straightforward and can enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of your site. So let's dive right in and walk through it together. First, you'll need to access the Hostinger Website Builder. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, locate the website you want to modify and navigate to the Website Builder. This is where all the magic happens, and you have the control to customize your site's elements precisely how you envision them. Within the Builder interface, you'll find a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your toolbox for adding new content to your site. To bring in new elements, you'll be looking for the Add Elements panel. It's usually indicated by a plus icon or something similar, which invites you to expand it. Once you click on this panel, it unveils a variety of components that you can incorporate into your website. From the list of elements, find and select the Image option. This is your direct route to making your website more visually engaging. Click on it, hold down, and then drag it over to the exact spot on your web page where you want your new image to appear. You'll notice that you can place your image practically anywhere on the page, so feel free to experiment with positioning until it fits just right in your layout. After placing the image element, you now have the option to customize it with the right visual content. If you want to upload your own picture, simply click on the image box, which should bring up a few options. Look for an option like Change Image or perhaps Edit Image followed by Replace Image. These functions lead you to upload a file directly from your device. It's as easy as selecting a file like you typically would for an email attachment or a social media upload. Perhaps you don't have your own images ready. No worries there. Hostinger provides a convenient way to integrate stunning visuals without leaving the platform. Within the image selection interface, there's a library of free stock images at your disposal. Feel free to browse through this gallery. Once you find a picture that suits your needs, a simple click and confirmation will insert it into your website. And there you have it. A simple yet effective method to incorporate images that can captivate your audience's attention and provide a richer, more engaging experience on your website. Building your site just got more dynamic with these image-adding tools at your fingertips. Now give it a try and see how these visuals enhance your web pages. Thanks for watching, and happy building.